If you've landed here, it's because you're trying to get it together. Hello, what's up, and welcome. What is this? What is this? I don't know what that was. Hello, what's up, and welcome to Reflections. My name is Kat, and I am so glad that you're here. I've created a cleaning motivation video specifically for the bathroom. I am going to I'm going to go in deep. Sounded so gross. I'm gonna deep clean my bathroom and hopefully it'll give you motivation to clean. I find like clean and motivation videos are super relaxing and motivating, you know? So if you lack motivation just like I do every day in my life, hopefully this will help you out. By the way, I absolutely hate cleaning bathrooms. Like there's just something about bathrooms that just they just really gross me out. So yeah, so my bathroom is a hot mess, but once I get it together, right, because we're in the efforts of getting this together, you're gonna be like, okay, you got that. So yeah, so hopefully you find this to be very motivating and you share this with someone, help them get their life together.
Told you it was a hot mess. So let's see, where do we begin? Yeah. Oy. Okay, so let's start with my cleaning products. And for the toilet, I use this Scrub-a-Dub-Dub. Well, that's really not the name. I use a Mayor spray and then Zep products, which are fantastic. I love them. I use one of these little scrubby tools for the grout and another Zep product and one of these attachments that you will see later on. Okay, first things first. You gotta take everything out, okay? You gotta remove everything. All the crap. My goodness, I didn't know I had all this stuff. Okay, and next thing is declutter, right? Let's organize. Let's see. Look at all this crap that I don't need. Fantastic. And I will only keep the things that I will use and I will organize them. Next thing, for your hair tools, how to make them organized is wrap them up. Wherever you've like removed things, it usually stains, so you want to be able to clean that out. So next thing is the shower. Same thing here. Remove everything out. You want to take everything, every single thing out when you're ready to clean. No lie, this is where the camera like attacked me. The camera literally fell on my head. It's horrible. So I start off with the walls, and you will see the method of this. There is a method to this. So I spray some of the Zep spray and I just start, washing away. same thing here. You want to wash the handles. And then your shower head, of course. This literally has to be my favorite attachment. It's this tool that attaches to your drill and just scrubs the ish out of your tub or your shower. I love this. I place it right on the grout and you see how it's turned white. It's because that means that it's dirty. Like, don't forget the edges. Like, you have to get every crease, because especially the small areas, they just get nasty. And voila, look at this clean shower. Next thing is the toilet, and I use paper towels when I do the surrounding areas just because I think about the bacteria, so I just don't want to like carry that. Not to say that there's no bacteria everywhere else, but there's something about toilets that ugh. So you want to do your counters and your sink towards the end. Just remember, you're going to be using a lot of water while you're cleaning, so it doesn't make sense that you're cleaning your counters and your sink while you're still trying to use the water, and you're cleaning the racks and everything. So that's why I leave that to the very end. So there's a method to this, and voila, again, here you go. And let me tell you something about this bad boy. Like, this mop is everything. It will leave your floors spotless. Okay, you can roll around and probably sleep on it if you like to. That's how good and clean it leaves your floors.
So if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. And let's connect, let's be friends. I want to create a platform where we're able to connect with one another, share ideas, thoughts, hacks, tips, whatever it is. Let's talk. Life is all about connecting. And I'm just trying to get it together. I know you're trying to get it together, so let's just create a little tribe where we're the together tribe, or the wannabe together tribe. You feel me? You know what I mean? So, and I will see you next time. Peace.